How to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 working solutions to fix grayed out Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on any iPhone. Let's start with the first solution: turn on airplane mode, then turn it off after 20 seconds. Open your Settings app, toggle on airplane mode, wait for about 20 seconds, then toggle it back off. This can refresh your network connections and might bring Wi-Fi and Bluetooth back to normal. The second solution is simply to restart your device. Go to Settings General, scroll to the bottom and tap Shut Down. Slide the power button to the right to turn off your iPhone. After a few seconds, press the power button again to turn it back on. This basic step can sometimes clear minor software glitches. Solution 3 is to reset your network settings. But be aware, this will erase saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords, VPN, and APN settings. To do this, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode, then confirm to reset. Moving on to Solution 4, remove and reinsert your SIM card. First, shut down your iPhone. Then, remove the SIM tray and take out the SIM card. Wait a few seconds, reinsert it, and power your device back on. This simple step has helped many users resolve connectivity issues. Solution 5 is a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Don't let go when you see Slide to power off, keep holding until the Apple logo shows. Solution 6 is to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings General Software Update, and if an update is available, download and install it. Apple often includes important bug fixes and software updates that could resolve this issue. Lastly, Solution 7 is to reset all settings. This won't delete your personal data, but it will restore system settings like ringtones, alarms, Wi-Fi settings, and more to default. To do this, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset when prompted. Hopefully one of these steps helped you fix the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth issue on your iPhone. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful iPhone tips and fixes.